Okay, welcome to another stylish cost calculator tutorial where we're going to be dealing with package deals, which we did in a previous video, but we're going to do it a little bit different today. But first, I'm going to start off this video just in case you haven't seen the previous one, where if you're buying 2 or 3 products, you can trigger a discount. And you can trigger that discount through the custom math and just applying a simple logic saying if all these products are checked off, if the person has, selected them, then it will give that 20% discount. But in this video today, we're going to do it different. We're going to do it with the variable math element. So we're going to go ahead and add a subsection and add a variable math element. And in that variable math element, we can just simply choose 3 or 4 items. And if the person chooses to purchase all those items, they will get a discount through the total calculation. So more or less, this video is just solely, it's about the variable math elements, and we're just explaining how to use it in this one use case scenario. But there's multiple use case scenarios for variable math. It's probably the most versatile element we have because it allows the user to control that end calculation. So for example, if you're selling a men's suit, and that men's suit contains, let's say, a shirt, or let's go with a jacket first, and then a shirt, and then you got the pants, and let's say shoes. Well, you can go ahead and put a cost for each one. So let's say this is 200, the shirt is 100, the pants is 100. Let's say the shirt's $50. And everything else is 100. So now you have that calculation. You can put max quantities if you don't want the person to purchase more than a certain amount. So that'll prevent the person from pressing the up arrow key more than the max quantity. But essentially, what we want to do is we want to make the total calculation, all these inputs together. So you're taking the cost of the jacket, the cost of the shirt, the pants, and the shoes, and that's going to be the end calculation. But let's say you want to give it a discount, you would put that in brackets, and if you want to give a 15%, or let's say a 20% discount, you would divide it by 1.20, which gives a 20% discount. So let's go ahead and save it to refresh the math. So if you get 1 shirt, 1 jacket, 2 shirts, 1 pants, and 1 shoes. Let's just do some math real quick. So you got $200 shirt, 2 $50 pants, that's 100, and another 100, and another 100. So that's $500. And then you take that $500 and you divide it by 20%. It should only charge them 416 euros, dollars, yens, whatever your calculation is, whatever your currency that you're charging your customers. So let's go ahead and refresh the screen and enter those quantities in. So if we were to just do the calculation like this, it would just plus those amounts, and then we got the 500. And what it does is it doesn't break down each individual item one by one because this is one item, which is a package. So for example, if you're doing like shipping costs or something like that, you're not going to want the length, width, and height to show up. You want just the one item. So that's the reason why it shows only one item on the invoice. And then if you were to send this one big item to, let's say, PayPal or Stripe or WooCommerce, then it shows up as one item. So right now we have it working without the discount. So I wanted to show you that first. That's the regular cost before the discount, or any custom calculation, I guess you can say. So if we want to do a custom calculation, you want to wrap this into a bracket, and then you go ahead and you do your math. So if we divide it by 1.20, it'll take 20% off of that total. So let's go ahead and refresh the screen. Let's buy the 1 jacket, the 2 shirts, the 1 pants, and the 1 shoes, and now it's 416, which is your 500, and then you're removing the 20% off of 500. Another way to do that is just minus 20%, and you'll get the same amount. Okay, so apparently I don't know how to do grade 8 math. So it's actually, if you want to remove 20%, you times it by 20%. So let's go ahead and refresh that calculation. Okay. There we go. So that would be your 500 minus 20% is 400. And now we're getting the perfect amounts. So your times symbol is here, and then your thing. So the opposite would be if you want to add 13%, let's say you want to charge a fee, then you would do 1.13, and that would add 13%. So this is essentially how you use the variable math option element we have. You can use it for many use case scenarios. We're thinking like shipping costs, length times width times height. Maybe you can calculate medicine dosages based on if it's a male or female. You can times their body weight. Maybe an ROI calculator if you want to return the return on investment. You can ask the person how much they want to spend in marketing or something like that for each of these inputs here, and how much the cost would be for each of the services. Let's say if it's Facebook or Google Ads or something, and then you can times it by, let's say, 4 or something to show a 4 times ROI. So many use cases with the variable math, and we'll try to create some more videos to show you guys how to do that. In the meantime, if you want to purchase a Stylish Cost Calculator, you just have to go to stylishcostcalculator.com, where you can purchase a premium version. Thank you very much. And another thing to mention is our YouTube channel. If you go to the playlist option, which I'll show you in a moment, if you head over to youtube.com/stylishcostcalculator, you can actually see all of our videos there. You can click on videos to see them one by one, or you can click on playlists where they're organized between use cases and templates. And that should help you guys understand the different use cases. We have another use case here, automating sales funnels. This one is a pretty interesting video where someone shows us how to do pretty complex automation. But there's a whole slew of things here to help your business automate itself, get more sales. So yeah, we wish to hear from you guys. Give us a like, thumbs up, and question. If you have any questions on the video, just go ahead and put it into the comment section.